In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on automatic member approval on LinkedIn Group. This setting streamlines how people join your community by letting them in without waiting for an admin to review each request. It's great for growing your group faster, but remember, you'll want to keep an eye on quality and engagement once it's turned on. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type LinkedIn, then click the official LinkedIn result to open the site. Make sure you're signed into the account that manages the group, since only admins and owners can change membership settings. Once you land on your LinkedIn feed, look to the left-hand sidebar. There you'll find a shortcut labeled Groups. Click that to open your Groups page, where you'll see a list of communities you manage or belong to. From the list, select the group where you want to enable automatic approval. This will take you to the group's main feed. At the top of the group page, locate the admin controls and choose Manage Group. This opens the admin area where all of your moderation and membership tools live. Inside the management view, find and click the section called Requests. This is where LinkedIn collects join requests and membership settings for your group. Even if you don't see any pending requests, you'll still find the controls you need here. Look for the option titled Automatic Member Approval and click Setup. This opens a small panel with the available approval rules. To make the group open to anyone without manual review, choose the option that says, Anyone can join without approval. This selection means every new member request will be accepted automatically, which removes a big bottleneck for fast-growing communities. After selecting that option, click Save to confirm your choice. If LinkedIn shows an additional confirmation, go ahead and click Apply to finalize the change. Your new setting takes effect immediately, and new joiners won't have to wait for admin approval. A quick tip as you move forward. Once automatic approval is on, plan to monitor new members and recent activity more frequently. Consider posting clear community guidelines and using content moderation tools to keep discussions on track. If you ever want to tighten access again, you can return to the same requests area and adjust the approval setting back to manual. That's it. You've successfully turned on automatic member approval for your LinkedIn group, making it easier for people to join and participate right away.